there, I'm Dr. Eileen Kennedy Moore, also known as Dr. Friendtastic. I'm an author and clinical psychologist based in Princeton, New Jersey. Here's today's question.
Hi, my name is Blake, and my question is, how do I make friends with people that have different interests as me?
Hi, Blake. Thanks for sending in your question. I think it's great that you want to make new friends. Kids make friends by doing fun things together. So building friendships with kids who have different interests than you do can be challenging. You could try faking that you like the things they like, but I think you know that's not really an option. Being dishonest doesn't create closeness. Besides, at some point, they'd probably figure out that you're not really interested in whatever it is, and then they'd feel confused or annoyed that you were pretending to like it. Another option is to develop a real interest in the things they like. Learning more about their favorite topics could help you understand why they like it and become more interested in it yourself. Let's say the other kids like a certain sports team, and you don't know much about that team. You could start by trying to learn more about the team on your own. Who are the players? What are their strengths and weaknesses? How has the team been performing lately? What happened in their last game? Who are they playing next? Learning some things on your own shows you're willing to put in effort to understand their favorite topic. Then you could try asking them questions to show that you're eager to learn more. You don't have to be the expert. Just be an enthusiastic newbie. Your new interest in the team could help you connect with the other kids. You can be friendly with most other kids. That's a kind thing to do. But to become friends with someone, you have to have something in common that lets you enjoy each other's company. Getting to know kids who have different interests can help you develop new interests and expand your friendship options. And you might discover that you have more in common with them than you thought. But you might also want to look for friends who already share your interests. What do you like to do that you could do with other kids? Maybe you could find a club or activity based on your interests. Or maybe you could invite someone over to do a favorite activity together. Friendships grow through having fun together. Finding or building common ground helps you do that. This has been Kids Ask Dr. Friendtastic. If you have a question about making and keeping friends that you'd like me to answer, go to drfriendtastic.com. That's drfriendtastic.com and click on the podcast tab to see how to submit your question. You can learn even more about friendship through my funny and practical books for kids, Growing Friendships, A Kid's Guide to Making and Keeping Friends, and Growing Feelings, A Kid's Guide to Dealing with Emotions about Friends and Other Kids. They're available through your library or wherever you buy books.